friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep. Today we have two large boxes from Weverse. It's the B album merchandise and I wanted to open it with all of you. So we'll just get right into it. Huge box, not a lot inside. I had to divide my order into two orders because this didn't pop up right away and I was afraid things would sell out, so I just paid for these first. Let's see, let's start with the smaller things. This is the lyric keyring. Ooh. Okay, so it's like snug in there. I think I have to take out this part. So it's Suga's handwriting and the lyrics to 잠시. It's the first two lines to 잠시. Like, of all the days that are the same, meeting you or seeing you is when I'm happiest, and amidst all the different everydays, you are the most special. So those are very special lyrics, and I love 잠시. I love this song. It's really cool. It makes a nice little tinkling sound. And I got this because these blocks reminded me of a decorative piece of stationery that I have. This is a cute little ruler I got, not to use as a ruler, but sort of as just a decorative piece on my desk. And it's, wow, it's almost exactly the same size as the keychain. They go very well together, so I thought they would look nice on my desk. Stationery meets keychain meets BTS. Next, we've got the pencil set. Yes, I bought the pencils. There's so much merch out there, and since I'm not going for collecting all the photo cards, I thought I would sort of limit my purchases to things that I like, which are stationery and pencils. Ooh, so they come in this nice box, and Dynamite is RM probably, Stay is JK, Hobby for 병, a disease, Sugar for 잠시, Tae for Blue and Gray, Jiminy for Fly to My Room, and Jin for Life Goes On. I don't know if I can actually sharpen these to use. They look really nice though. Next, we've got the washi tape. So I got the washi because it's washi. And I like washi. I didn't realize that one of the washis is like a sticker washi. So let me swatch these and I'll show you what I mean. What better place to swatch them but in my BTS planner. So this is normal washi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then this is just, thin one is just plain black. We'll still swatch it. Okay, and for B, we can probably compare to the members' photo cards to find who's whose. Okay, I'm not exactly sure. They don't all match exactly, but pretty sure this is Taeyoungi and this is Jimin이. And this is Jin and Suga. Okay, last but not least, this was the interesting washi tape that I didn't realize was more like stickers. So, okay, so yeah, there's like a clear waxy backing, like sticker paper on the back. This is one of my favorite lyrics. I think Jiminny said it's his favorite lyric too. So we've got 7 different samples here as well. Let me put them down. I think this is Jungkook이, Jiminny, Tae. Oh, I put the 막내 at the top. And then I think this is definitely RM. And 석진이 and Suga. I think this is Suga. And Hobby. Alright, anyway, moving on. That's it for the stationery. Next, here are the photo cards that came with the bag, as people are joking. That's a very interesting sentence, but it means don't get salt on the metal because it'll rust, I guess. So I couldn't tell in the photo if this had like a way to clasp it or enclose it. It does not, but it'd be easy just to put a little like doop doop, what do you call it? Boop boop, snap button, 똑딱이. It's yay big and it has a pocket in the inside. But here we go. There are only 2 things, I believe, in this merch drop that had photo cards. $90 pajamas and this bag. And I decided to get these. And the back looks like this with their handwriting. Now, last 2 bits. I've got the muffler. Ooh, so it's like similar to the Echo bag. It's like a corduroy material, which I thought was interesting. I've not seen a scarf that's made of this material. And of course, I like these lyrics. Want to keep it close to me always. And it's still winter here and cold enough to wear. I think this will be good. Be a classy lady on the streets with my stay scarf. I think this was one of the things that sold out fastest besides the candle. Jungkook sold out really fast in the global shop. I think he's still available in the US shop though. Ooh. Wow, that's okay. It's smaller than I realized. I never read the product descriptions very carefully, but it's a little smaller than I thought. You can see compared to my hands, but it's very like high definition, high quality print. I didn't think it'd be so nice printed on fabric like this, but there we go. JK fabric poster. That's really nice. Ooh. And it feels very soft. It's like, it feels like the material that those eyeglass cleaning cases are made of. The back says life goes on in Jungkook. Very nice. Pretty, pretty. Okay. Alright, here's everything. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe and well, and I will see you next time. Bye!